Hi guys, thanks for joining us today. Hi.
Oh.
How's it going?
Hello.
This is Isaac and Rush. Well, David Rush, but we have so many Davids. I like to call him Rush.
Call him Rush. All right.
Yeah.
Rush.
Isaac is our amazing
change your
CAD
name.
guy. He's what made Malice possible.
All right. Well, I love the design. It looks really awesome.
Thanks.
To see it in person. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys haven't really been afraid to reveal anything. Some new teams are keeping it under wraps, but it's been really fun to see the development process for you guys.
Bring it. We don't have anything to hide.
Yeah, I think our design it's pretty established archetype, and we're using established components, so there's not too much to hide.
Well, I like the construction method too, with like the layered water jetted parts and stuff. It's nice.
It's all machined. There's the only thing that's water jetted was the actual weapon, the actual main red Rush weapon. Everything else was either laser cut or machined, mostly machined.
Oh, my mistake.
That's okay. No, that's fine. Yeah, but yeah, so it's really exciting. It's really fun. Rush has the smaller versions, the prototypes.
Yeah.
You want to show them the blade sizes?
Yeah, sure. So I can spin it around and just show you all of them at once if you want.
Sure.
Yeah, let me go ahead and just do that.
Oh, this is
Flip it around. Yeah, so we got the large weapon.
Oh, hold on one second. Okay, there you go, Rush. You're good.
Yep. Good now?
Yeah, that's our main weapon. Yeah, that's going to be the weapon on Malice. We're just waiting, because of coronavirus, we're waiting to get it machined. A lot of the machinings in the area are full up or not working because of the virus. So we've had to wait to get that one machined a little bit. We still have to do the mounting holes to put it onto the pulley.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Yeah, so it all started with the ant weight and then the beetle discs, then finally, jumping right up to the heavies.
So you've competed 1 pound and 3 pounders before?
Oh yeah, for a few years now.
He has like 18 wins, first place wins. Yeah.
Oh.
Like we like to joke that we're the most winning-est team because David Lau has 34 wins, first place, only first place. Like if you count all his wins, it's ridiculous. And Rush has 18 first place wins, and Isaac has probably how many do you have, Isaac?
Probably less than 10, but more than 5.
Yeah,
that's
he has
still
a ton
impressive.
too. He has a ton too. Yeah, we like to joke that we're the winningest team because we have all these wins in the lower weight classes.
So what is your team like? Your team consists of a CAD guy, the driver, and who else?
We also have David Lau, who's the owner / weapons operator. He's doing the weapon while we're driving, and then we have David Small because I like to collect all the Davids, and we have Jeff Waters as well. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay, awesome. So are you guys all local to each other or spread around?
This is very normal for us, this video chatting. This is how we got the robot done. Isaac would do like this, where he'd have the whole design up and he'd just show us everything that he was doing, and he'd just sit there and CAD the whole thing, and he'd be like, what do you want changed? And we'd be like, oh, change this, and we were super nitpicky. Isaac probably was so fed up with us, but he did so amazing. Everything, he would just have the screen up, he'd just share his whole screen and just do the whole CAD process right in front of us and ask us our opinions, because he'd never built a heavyweight before, but this is his first heavyweight and it's amazing. You know what I'm saying? It's so brilliant.
Not many people have built heavyweights, at least 250 pounders.
Yeah.
Well, it came out really great. I'm excited.
Yeah, it came out amazing. Isaac did so good on the CAD. And tell him about how you almost got trapped in California because you weren't local.
Oh yeah, so our team is all spread out, and the last big question on the robot, where we really had no idea if it was going to work, and we needed to test it and prototype it and validate it, was the weapon pulley system. So we're using kind of a serpentine belt, and nobody on the team has any experience with that. So we got the whole team together almost a week and a half ago, right before the coronavirus, and we all flew out to California to build the robot up, test it with a particular pulley configuration, particular tension, tear it all down, and like redo it and tweak it until we got everything exactly how we wanted. Good news is that the pulley system looks like it's going to work, but the airport like locked down like 20 hours after we all flew out. We almost got like stuck in California, so it was definitely like really tight on timing for that big test.
So you guys all flew home, and then coronavirus hit. So how has that affected your daily lives?
I'm on self-imposed quarantine for until Sunday, after like 3 or 4 days from now, after the trip to California, to try and make sure I don't have it or spread it.
Just
I
because of the
shut my whole work down. I can't work until after this whole thing is back up. I mean, I'm a TIG welder, so obviously you can't do that remote.
So, buddy, you're working.
Yeah.
Still?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like very physical. You can't
Yeah.
work from home, I guess.
Exactly. Yeah.
And what about you, Rush?
Yeah, so everybody here is working from home. I was probably the last one at my work. I really insist on going to the office. I just like that separation of work and home life. And yesterday they finally said you can't come to work. You have to just stay home. And so I've just been here. And my parents are actually flying back from South Africa right now, and they're going to be stuck in a 2-week quarantine as well. So everybody's just staying home.
So is there quarantine or forced quarantine at this point?
No, it's semi-enforced, but right now it's just like do it on your own, like be responsible about it. But yeah, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think
Gives
it's
us time to
important
work on fun projects, like film frisbees.
Yeah. Your swag has been so awesome to see what you guys are coming up with.
Thanks. Yeah. It's hard because there's so much stuff that's been done. It's hard to come up with new things. It's been a big challenge. It's been fun though.
Yeah, as soon as Mike saw the Malice frisbee, he's like, "Oh my god, we have to make Witch Doctor frisbee."
I'm sorry, I don't know what density is. I feel so bad. I really, really want a Witch Doctor frisbee though. I like desperately. Did he make one?
No, he hasn't. He didn't make one, but he bought some material to make one. So that's
Yes!
coronavirus projects.
I'll trade you, Mike. I'll send you one of ours if you send me one of yours.
Okay. So these sheets will just fly by themselves.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yes. Yes.
Even if I don't cut anything, it works.
Yes. Oh, these are so distracting. Our whole team was playing with them when we were supposed to be working on the pulley of the robot.
So is your
Except for
plan to
Isaac.
walk out
Isaac
to the
always stays.
crowd?
Isaac always stays course. He's so steady. He's so.
So you guys to walk out to the crowd and just like beam frisbees at everybody?
Oh yes, that was the whole plan. I contacted these people. I was like, okay, I want it to throw like 30 feet, and I want it to not hurt them when I throw it like 30 feet.
I'm gonna be in the audience for your matches, so I can grab one.
Yeah.
Yes.
It still has a sharp tooth, so it'll probably hit someone's kid in the eye or something.
I think it's safe. I think it's squishy enough. It'll be fine.
So
How
how squishy is it? Let's see. Is it about as squishy as this?
Hold on, let me see if I can. It's about as squishy.
Oh yeah, looks
I think we're
promising.
good. I think you got the good stuff.
All
I'll
right.
trade you, Mike. I'll trade you 1 for 1.
I could only get black in color. This came from McMaster, so.
Oh yes, McMaster. It hasn't affected McMaster shipping to you guys, the coronavirus.
That was the last thing we tried to ship from McMaster.
Yeah, we actually we placed a couple McMaster orders right before everything got really bad, and it was like usually we get stuff the next day just because we're like, close to Atlanta or whatever.
Yeah.
And it was like took 3 days for us stuff to get here, and I don't know if that's just because whatever we ordered, but it seems like it slowed down shipping quite a bit.
It's definitely slowed down shipping here. I send all these letters to the fans, and they don't get them for so long now. So it took 2 weeks for a fan to get a letter the other day.
Wow.
Mhm.
That's pretty scary.
Yeah.
Well, even Amazon Prime stuff is taking like 3 or 4 days. So.
Well, now Amazon isn't shipping until April 21st for non-essentials.
Oh wow, I hadn't even seen that. Wow.
Yep. Go try to order something. April 21st.
I've been buying a bunch of random crap on Amazon, like building like a racing simulator and like we just bought like a bunch of random things just to keep ourselves occupied, you know. So it's kind of. I hope that they don't slow down shipping, or else I'll go crazy.
Our whole team has been playing Animal Crossing.
We haven't gotten
I haven't played that. We play Uno Freak with our teams.
It's just online Uno card game.
Yeah, nice.
Yes, that's super fun. We should do a team. We should do a team game night. It'll be fun.
That
Good
was fun.
Monopoly.
Monopoly? What? I will totally whoop you at Monopoly, Isaac. You don't even understand. I'm the best at Monopoly.
We'll see. I like Monopoly quite a bit too.
I don't have the patience. So like we have one of our team members
No.
like an HR guy, and he's like an accountant basically. So he destroys everybody at Monopoly every time. It's not even fun, honestly.
Yeah,
Monopoly.
But anyways, so not a lot on the robot since the shutdown, obviously, because we have to wait for our main weapon, and that will be done soon. Rush.
At about 3 weeks probably.
Yeah.
the guy-
So
Yeah, the guy machining it, he wants to wait a little bit, so.
but just backed up. Like the hours are shortened because of the virus and everything. But the robot was done beforehand because we wanted to. Well, it's Isaac's weapon. Isaac's weapon is brilliant. I like to call it purple pain. I don't know if he approves or not. I've never actually asked him, but it's my favorite. So, so we got the robot running with that one on the pulley, and he's making pulleys, custom pulleys for it because the ones we have right now are cast iron, and cast iron just doesn't work so well in combat robotics. It just shatters. So he was gonna print some on his nylon printer, but I think we ended up going with machining them out of aluminum.
Yeah, I think the aluminum pulley will probably be the best option. I think I could 3D print them, but there's no need to risk it if we can get aluminum ones.
Absolutely, yeah. Since we have the extra time, it's nice to have a little bit of extra time to get little details like that sorted out.
Yeah, as long as you have you don't lose your manufacturing support from wherever you guys are getting stuff
Yes. Absolutely. Well, it's ready to go as is. It's just everything will be a little bit better because we have extra time.
made. Sure. So you have the weapon, or Rush has the weapon. You have
Right.
a local guy machining it, and then you're going to ship that to California.
He's in California. Rush is actually in California.
Oh,
Yeah, so I live about half hour away from David Lau, so I can.
Which is where the
I'll just be-
robot is.
Yeah, so I'll just drive over there and just drop it off at any time.
cool.
And then we'll all go out again and play with it. Because it's not a toy, but we still play with it. I have to remind these guys all the time that it's not a toy. I don't know if you've seen Rush's profile photo, but he has that massive 18-inch disc above his head.
I have seen it, and it looks massive. It just looks so big in that photo.
Rush! It's
Yeah.
not a toy.
It's dangerous.
But it's okay. It's fine.
So between the different weapon assemblies you guys have, like, is one lighter than the other, or like what's the purpose for the different?
Yeah. Isaac, why don't you tell him about your lighter weapon?
Yeah, the lighter weapon, the purple one, is kind of like a hybrid disc bar. It's designed kind of as more defensive, so it spins up really fast, less than 2 seconds to be dangerous and less than 4 seconds total. And it's designed so that if we get box rushed or if someone's trying to jam us up, hopefully it still spins up and can be effective in that scenario.
And plus against shatter. Yeah.
What's that?
And plus against shatter, we can run extra armor.
Right. It is lighter, so we can run more armor. I was kind of being sarcastic and snarky when Bunny asked me what color they should paint it, and I was like, "Oh, make it glittery purple, like whatever you want to do." And they actually made it glittery purple.
So much you have to be approved of purple paint yet. That sounds like you don't really.
It's good. I like it now. The paint is actually really cool. It kind of has like a hot rod vibe to it, where it's like a glittery purple powder coat kind of color. So it is pretty cool. Yeah.
I have the
Both guys
vision.
are purple, so we approve.
Yes, yeah. And Nelly also approves.
We got extra glitter this year, so we're extra glittery.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Glitter's everywhere. I love glitter. But yes, so that was exciting. Well, we should probably let you guys go. I'm sure you have a lot more calls to get through.
No, you're the last one today. But
Oh,
we should probably jump off.
Yeah.
But
It was nice chatting with you.
yeah, it was really nice talking to you guys, and we hope to see more Malice swag.
There's gonna be tons.
Always.
On the internet.
Always.
Always.
Definitely more posts. Like, you got to keep everybody entertained now with
Okay.
social media, since like there's everyone's basically quarantined. So
I know. It's so hard. It'll be okay. We'll get through it. It'll be fun.
Yeah. Glad you guys are staying safe.
You as well. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys.
talk to you guys. Bye.